Hi, this is a computer mouse. It is made by Wipro, destroyed by lightning, and repaired by me, as you can see. It is in fully functional state. To right click, you have to grab something pointy and press that button down there. And left click, for left click, it's even easy. Here are two wires, just touch them. You will get a left click, and if it does not work, try giving the bigger one a little tug. I started the repair by checking if there is continuity between the live pin, the 5-volt pin of the USB, and the VCC pin of the sensor inside. But my multimeter was not beeping and it was showing a resistance of about 1.8 kilo ohms. So I cut open the USB cable, fetched 5 volts from there and connected it to the VCC pin of the chip, and immediately everything started working except this left click right here. The switch for the left click was broken. So what I did was I cracked the switch and twisted these wires to the terminal, and now whenever I touch them, it left clicks. So the moral of the video is, do not throw things away before trying to repair them. And even if you do not manage to repair them, keep them as a spare parts donor.
Due to short time I couldn't show it in operation.
Like, share and subscribe.